Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Model Monitoring and Observability, Keeping Your AI Healthy. Imagine your AI model is like a new app you built or even a pet you got. You wouldn't just launch your app and forget about it, right? Or get a pet and never feed it? AI model monitoring is like regularly checking your AI's pulse to make sure it's doing its job correctly. Observability is like having the right tools to understand why if something goes wrong. Together, they keep your AI healthy and working as expected, long after you've launched it. For a regular app, healthy means it doesn't crash, loads fast, and users can click buttons. For an AI, it's similar but also includes making good predictions or decisions. A healthy AI consistently gives correct answers, like a spam filter correctly catching spam, responds quickly, low latency, and doesn't suddenly start behaving strangely or unfairly. It's about maintaining the quality of its thinking over time. Just like you'd want your calculator to always give correct answers. Your AI learns from data, like studying textbooks. But what if the textbooks, the real-world data it sees every day, start changing after it's launched? This is called data drift. For example, an AI detecting trendy clothes learns from current styles. If fashion changes dramatically, its old knowledge becomes outdated, and it might start making bad recommendations. Monitoring helps us spot these changes and update the AI's learning so it stays relevant. Even without the world changing, your AI might just start getting worse at its job. This is performance degradation. Maybe a sensor providing data broke and is sending bad numbers. Or there's a bug in another part of your system feeding the AI incorrect information. For a developer, this means the accuracy drops, errors increase, or it takes longer to give answers. Monitoring helps us catch these drops before they impact users. Similar to a car engine losing power. Just like a doctor checks your heart rate, we check vital signs for AI. As a developer, you'd look at accuracy, error rate, how often is it right or wrong? E.g., how many spam emails did it miss? Latency, how fast does it respond? Important for user experience. Like a slow website, data quality. Is the input data complete and sensible? Garbage in, garbage out. Bias. Is it being fair to everyone? Or is it showing unfair preferences? Monitoring these helps you see if your AI is still fit and fair. Monitoring tells you what is happening. My AI's accuracy dropped. Or latency is high. But observability helps you understand why. It's like having a mechanic. Observability, instead of just a dashboard light. Monitoring. As a developer, this means you can dig into the AI's internal workings, its inputs, and its outputs to diagnose the root cause of a problem, helping you fix it faster and more effectively, like a doctor looking at X-rays. So, how do we actually do this? As developers, we use practical tools, alerts, automated notifications, email, Slack. When something goes wrong, e.g., accuracy drops below 80%, dashboards, visual displays showing real-time metrics and trends, graphs of accuracy, latency over time, logging, recording every decision or input the AI sees, so you can retrace steps. Tracing, following a request through different parts of the AI system to see where delays or errors occur. These are the tools you'd use to be an AI doctor. In essence, AI model monitoring and observability are crucial for making sure your AI isn't just a cool project, but a reliable, valuable tool that stays effective over time. As developers, mastering these concepts means you can build AI systems that are robust, trustworthy, and adaptable to a changing world, ensuring they continue to serve their purpose long after deployment. You become the AI lifeguard. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.